So my name is Aurelio Arias. I am part of the European Thought Leadership Group at IQVIA. IQVIA is both a CRO and also a data capture and handling company, but actually we use that in order to go and get closer to patients, run clinical trials, in order to improve outcomes. So very much a full service provider for the pharmaceutical industry. Now, within my group, the Thought Leadership team, we actually use a lot of the assets that we have within IQVIA to go out and provide a point of view on the market, typically about 5 to 10 years in the horizon, in order to go out and inform on the hot and current trends that are happening. In this case, it has been on digital health systems, which is a recent piece of work that I've been doing. So that's true. I participate at a lot of conferences, many presentations with clients as well, and many public ones. Now, typically the conferences and events that I go to are on the public side, so by organizations such as Medicines for Europe, for example, FPA. They have different qualities. Now, this conference was smaller, but what I did like about it very much was that everyone was very engaged. We had the quality of the speakers was very high, and also the attendees were very much interactive, both within the conference, during the networking sessions, before and after the conference. So it was very pleasant to see everyone face to face with that level of interaction. So the key points and key takeaways, I think, difficult to pinpoint exactly the areas that made the most impact. We had speakers talking about clinical, we had speakers talking about the physician engagement side of healthcare, digital health systems, artificial intelligence. There was something there for everyone, I felt. This was very much backed up, I believe, by the amount of interaction that the speakers had. So I would say the key takeaways from a real perspective are the networks, the connections people actually had within the conference. So people actually went and made friends. They also had pointed questions towards the finer side of regulation. We had case studies from some of the pharma companies on how they're going about implementing some of the key concepts that we discussed. And I think these learnings are very valuable, and they'd be able to go back and take with them, hopefully, within their own companies. Oh yes, definitely. I will happily be here next year, but you have to make sure that the level of quality of the speakers remains high as it has been, definitely.